morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will continue our exercise 2.1. Okay. So we start question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Find the answer in each of the following. That means you have to solve this and you should find their answer. Okay. Now A part is there. 32,323 more than 9,56,023. So whenever you have more, that means you will do addition. Okay, more means addition. So here is given that this much more than this. So that means we have to add. So this number we should write upside and first number downside. So you can put columns also. So we should write here columns ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and then lakhs. So now we have 9,56,023. So we write here 9,56,023. Then more, how much more? 32,323. That much more. So for more we will do addition. Okay. So now we will do plus. So we should put here plus symbol and now we will do addition. Okay. So now 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 3, 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. And there is 9. So now you can see we can put comma also to separate the period. So 9,88,346 is your answer. Okay. So the same way you should do B part also, C, D also the same way. There is in all part there is given more than. So for more than we should do plus. Okay. Now here is in B part 600 more than 5,84,023. That means 600 more. There is given 600 in the words. So we should write this in the figure. Okay, when we add, so we should write it in figure. If you have in words, so you should write that in the figures. And then you will do addition. Okay. In C and D part there is given already in figure. But if anywhere you have in words, so you should write that in the figure. Okay. Now we should mention again columns ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and this is lakhs. So 5 lakhs 84,023. Now how much more? 600 more. So we should write here 600. So in 100 column 6 and tens and ones will be 0. Okay. Now we should do addition. Now 0 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 6, 6. There is nothing, so there is as it is 4, there is 8 and there is 5. If nothing is there, that means we should write the number same. So it's become 5,84,623. That's your answer. Okay. So the same way you will do C and D part also. I saw here A and B and C and D also you will do. Okay, now we will continue our question number 4. Question number 4 is there. Find the missing digit in each of the following. There is also 4 parts, but I take here only 2 parts A and B. C and D also you should solve. Okay. So here is find the missing digit. So here some digits are not given. That you have to fill. So there is 2 methods. One method you can think and you can fill the digits. And second method, there is what's the method that if you have the answer, that means sum you have and you want to find the addends. So whenever you are finding addends, so what you will do, from the sum you will subtract one addend which is given. So you will get the second addend. Okay. So by that method also you can find and by thinking way also you can find. Because whenever you have two addends plus addends and you are having sum. So when you want to find first addend, so sum minus second addends. And if you want to find second addend, so sum minus first addend. By subtraction you can find your addend. And for the sum you will do addition. Okay. And second way you can think in your mind and then you can find your answer. Okay. Now we continue A part. It is given 6, 4, there is box 6, 8. There is box 3, 8, box 4. Now there is given 2 as a answer. So 8 plus 4 is what? 2, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we write here 2 and 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 6 plus 1, 7. So in 7 what we add we can get the answer 3. So we know that 7 is greater than 3. So in this ones we can't get 3. So now we think that after 7, in which number we have in ones column? 3. So when we add 7 plus 6, so we get 13. That means for 13 we can write here 3 and 1 we can give carry. So we have to fill here 6. Now 6 plus 6, 12 and 1, 13. So we write here 3 and 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 8 plus 1, 9. So in 9 what we add we can get here answer 5. So we know that 9 is greater than 5. So in this one's line we can't get 5 again. So now we move forward. So in 9 what we add then we can get 5. So 9 plus 6 is 15. And for 15 we can write here 5 and 1 goes carry. So that means we have to fill here 6. Okay. So we fill here 5 and 1 goes carry. Now we add these because there we find sum. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Now next. In 6 what we add we can get 9. Now 9 is greater, so continue we will do. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we add 3 then we can get 9. Okay, so this is your answer. So like this you can do, and second way I told you that when you have sum, so you can find by what? When you have sum, so sum minus 1 addend. So here is already sum given, 1 carry we have given here. Now there we have sum is 3 and addend is 7. So we know very well 7 is big and 3 is small. So from 3 we should make, we will think that there will be come 13. So 13 minus 7 then 6. So we fill here 6. Okay, so like this also you can find, but that will be just little difficult in borrowing in carry question when you have carry. If you have simple then easily you can find by this way, but if you have carry, so you can think in your mind and then you have to solve. Okay. Now it's B part. Now you will see 1 plus 3, 4. It is correct. Now here 6 plus what we can get? 8. Now we will see that one addend is given here and sum is given here. Sum is 8. Sum is greater than addend. So 8 minus 6. Then you will get 2. So you will fill here 2. Now 6 plus 2, 8. Because this is not of a carry question. So in simple, easily you can find by this way, sum minus addend. But if there is carry, so just more you have to think. Okay. Now 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. So we write here 0 and 1 goes carry. Now 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. So it is correct. Okay. So like this you have to fill. Now C and D part you will solve yourself. Okay, now we will start question number 5. Yes, now question number 5. Solve the following word problems. In question 5 you have word problem. 3 parts are there, A, B, C. So first of all A part is there. Miss Rao purchased a house for rupees 53,20,430. Okay, she purchased a house. Then C spent 59,000 on whitewashing. On its whitewashing, she spent 59,000. And rupees 11,20,290 on furniture. She bring furniture, and for furniture she spent 11,20,290. So find the total amount spent by Miss Rao on new house. So how much total amount she spent? So for the total amount, what should we do? We should add these two because this amount she spent on house and this is for whitewashing, so that whitewashing is also spent on the house, and this is for furniture, so this furniture also she bring for the house. Okay, so the total amount spent by her we have to find. Okay, so for that we will do plus. So first we should solve with the sentence. So first of all, solution. First sentence is there, Miss Rao, because first of all we don't know the name, so we don't use C. First of all we should write there its a name. Okay, and after that we can use C. Now Miss Rao purchased a house for how much rupees? Rupees 53,20,430. Okay, now after that second sentence, she spent on whitewashing. She spent on whitewashing how much? 59,000. So we should arrange the numbers up and down properly in the columns. So now here we don't have lakhs. So lakhs column will blank and 59,000. Okay, lakhs will be not there. You can put here 0 0 and otherwise you can leave it. And you can put there 0 0. Okay, because lakhs is not there. Next, she spent on furniture. So on furniture, how much she spent? She spent 11,20,290. So properly again we should arrange in columns 11,20,290. Okay. Now we have to do addition here, so we should put here plus symbol. Now total amount spent by Miss Rao. Okay. Here we can use by her also. Total amount spent by her, because already we have used name of Miss Rao. So here we can use her also. Now we will do plus. So now we will do addition here. 0 0 0. Now 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 0 12. So we write here 2 and 1 goes carry. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. Now next 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 0 9. Any number plus 0, then number itself. Now 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. Then next 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 0 4. Now 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 0 6. So how much amount she spent on house? 64,99,720. This amount she spent on the house. So we write here. So rupees 64,99,720 she spent on house. Miss Rao spent on house. Yeah, amount spent by Miss Rao. Any type sentence you can make. So this amount spent by, in the question formation if you are writing, so write in the question formation. Amount rupees, this spent amount spent by Miss Rao. Okay, you can write like this also. So Miss Rao spent this amount on house. Okay, here also on new house. After the spent by Miss Rao on new house. Okay, or you can write like this. So Miss Rao spent rupees 64,99,720 on new house. Like this sentence you also can make. That's also correct. Okay. Now next B part. A car company purchased 1,27,690 cars in the year 2000. Sorry, not purchase, produce. A car company produced 1,27,695 cars in the year 2007. Means in 2007, company produced these cars. Okay, produce means making. Then 98,895 cars in the year 2008 and 3,05,789 cars in the year 2009. So these car company produced in 3 years. Okay. So what was the total number of car produced in 3 successive years? Successive means continue of one by one. Okay. So how many total cars company produced in 3 years? In 2007, 8, 9 total cars. Okay. Then one more question is asking here. In which year were the most car produced? So in which year? So you should tell the year here, that in which year the most car produced. Most means highest, maximum cars in which year produced. Okay, means make. So now we should start our solution. First sentence is there. Number of cars produced in the year 2007. So how many cars produced in 2007? 1,27,695. 1,27,695. Then next, number of cars produced in the year 2008. So in 2008, how many cars? 98,895. So there is no lakhs. So in thousand column we should write 98,895. Then next, third, these many cars produced in year 2009. So number of cars produced in the year 2009. How much? 3,05,789. So here is not lakhs column, so we can write here 0. Now there is 3,05,789. Now for total number of cars, what we do? We will do plus total number of cars produced in 3 years. Here we can use successive also, and if we are not using, that's also correct. Total number of cars produced in 3 successive years, 3 years. Okay. Now for that we will do plus. Because here we are talking about 2007, 8, 9. So successive years are already given here. So now for that we will do plus. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. We write here 9 and 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 or 9, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 2 goes carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. We write here 3 and 2 goes carry. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. We write here 2 and 2 goes carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 30. 1 goes carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So how much? 5,32,379. These cars produced in 3 successive years. So write here. Now we should write. So total number of cars. Total number of cars produced in 3 successive years. Here you can use successive also, and directly if you are writing, you can write directly also. 3 successive years is how much? 5,32,379. These cars produced in 3 successive years. Okay. Then one more question is asking here. In which year were the most car produced? So now you will check that in which year the most. So you can see that here is 1 lakh, there is no lakhs and there is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs is the maximum most number, and in which year is that? In 2009. So right here in 2009 were the most in year 2009 were the most car produced. Were the most cars produced. Okay. Most means maximum car produced. So in which year maximum car produced? In 2009. So you should solve like this with a sentence. Okay. Now C part. Yes. Now C part. Mr. Jain purchased a bike at the showroom price of rupees 14,35,690. This is the showroom rate of the bike. Then after that, he spent rupees 35,975 on its accessories and paid rupees 46,760 on its registration, insurance and road tax. For that he paid this much amount. Okay. So what was the total amount he had to pay for the bike? Because this is the showroom price, but this amount also he will pay. Okay. For the registration and insurance, road tax, accessories, for these one also he will pay. So you have to find the total amount, how much he had to pay for the bike. So for that we will do plus. Okay. So we should solve with the sentence. First sentence is what here? First sentence, the showroom price of a bike. Okay. So what is the given showroom price? 14,35,690. So we write here rupees 14,35,690. Okay. Next is money spent on its accessories. So how much money is spent on accessories? 35,975. So we write here rupees 35,000. Now there is no lakhs, so lakhs we should make 0, 0. Now 35,975. Now third number, here is given money spent on its registration, insurance and road tax. Okay, how much money? 46,760. So rupees. Now there is also not lakhs, so lakhs is 0, 0. Now 46,760. That amount on these three things. So now total amount first of all we have to find. For total what will we do? We will do plus. So we should put here plus symbol. Now we do addition here. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. We write here 2 and 2 goes carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. So we write here 4 and 2 goes carry. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So we write here 8 and 1 goes carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So we write here 1 and 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Now 1 plus 0, 1. So how much amount? Rupees 15,18,425. This much amount he paid total. He will pay total. Okay. So for that we will do plus. Always write digit up and down. Don't move here and there. If you will do here and there, so your sum will be Wrong. Okay. So now we write so line. So Mr. Jain. Why we are using name here? Because we don't show anywhere it's a name. So at the place of he, we should use here name. So Mr. Jain had to pay how much? Rupees 15 lakhs 18,425 for what? For the bike. For the bike. That's your answer. Okay? That's your answer. So like this you have to solve the questions. Thank you.